Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I would like to show you a new feature which is about showing events on our chart widget. As you can see, I'm working with a device. It's a CO2 monitor, and based on the measurement values for temperature, CO2, humidity, light and the mold risk, we are deriving a couple of alert statuses. So like a general alert, if any of those is active, then the general alert is high. CO2 alert, temperature alert, humidity alert, whatever. So these are more or less like events. So every time something happens, we do set this boolean on the database. You can see here, this was how it is looking before to show booleans on the chart widget. You can use the line chart for it, but there's now a new option. So let's go into the edit mode, and instead of editing this one here, I'm going to create a new chart widget. Okay, first of all, let's select the temperature range, or let's say the CO2 range. And then next of it, we are going to, let's just basically change the color a bit, a temperature field as well, just so we have two different types of data sources, and align this a little bit that the scaling works as expected. So now we see temperature and CO2. Now you can see that on the tab bars here, we do have different kinds of options. Next to reference lines, there's now the option events. When you click on events, you can add multiple different types of data sources. So basically, like we add data sources to the data tab. Let's click on add, and this opens up or adds a new element here. And the first thing we need to do is select a field. Right now, events are supported by boolean fields. That means your decoders need to return boolean fields based on sensor values, sensor events, or whatever, and then you can show them up as events. Right now I'm taking the motion alert because we don't have any events based on the air quality in here, but as you can see now, there's already a line being drawn in here. We can change the thickness of the line, and then also the color or line type, and we put this to dash, and then we can also bring in a line text like motion. And now you can see this is motion in here. Let's probably change the time frame a bit to 1 day, so we can, or let's leave it like, yeah, it is here on the week. Then if we go back into the events, we can also see that there's different options for the event point, start and end. So start means when the field, the boolean, got a true value, and end means if it is false. And we do have start and end as well. This means you can see the starting and ending of the actual event. You can colorize it, change the line thickness, and add multiple boolean sources as events on your chart widget. That's it. That's how you can display or draw events on the chart widget. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.